welcome to your wonderful Wednesday shave of the day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. In this shave, I am using my Finedge Ostiso. This is made in New York City in 1920. It is just a beautiful razor that is a full hollow, and it is all original, just fantastic. It really is. Now for my soap tonight, here we go. Stubble, Trubble, and this is Pirate Cowboy. It is just fantastic. Really enjoy this one. This is Bay Rum meets Sandalwood. Really good. Yep. Now, for my brush tonight, here we go. This is my Omega 10098. That is Boar, and it has been soaking. Now, I have also had that puck blooming. We're going to put that on as pre-shave and get that going. Let's do it. Really fantastic scent. Now let's get those hands dried off. All right, here we go. Get that loaded up. Oh yeah. So welcome to the midweek shave, the wonderful Wednesday shave of the day, hump day. Yep. And hopefully you are having a wonderful week. Yep. It is now getting closer and closer to the weekend, which is good. Really enjoy that. Yep. And hopefully you're in high spirits. The world's treating you good. You're getting some good shaves. Yep. Yeah. And hopefully you're well. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I have been enjoying the weekends, doing day trips, things like that. How about you? What have you been up to? What have you been doing? Yeah. Now, also, I want to go ahead, and I'm still trying to find out the answer to this question. So here it goes. What I wish I knew when I started straight razor shaving. I want to know what you wish you knew. Okay? Could be anything. Technique. Could be about honing, about razors. Okay, how to buy a razor, how to get stones, what stones are the best stones to buy for honing, and that kind of thing. You know, what would you like to know? What kind of technique? What would have been top on your list if you knew ahead of time? Yep, that could be interesting, and I think we're there. I do think we're there. Yeah, let me know. Let me know down in the comments. I'm really hoping to get enough information to be able to compile something for a video. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. You know, whatever kind of technique or something you wish you knew. It doesn't necessarily have to be totally technique about straight razors. Could be what would be the best straight razor to start with, what would be the best straight razor to learn how to hone with. Yeah, those kind of things. And hopefully we can get a bunch of responses, and I can find out the things you would like to know, and then we'll put it all together in a video for you. Yeah. Now here we go. we're gonna get our lather on. And we're gonna try to do our best tonight not to have a repeat of Sunday, but it does happen. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you could check out the Sunday video, shave of the day. Yeah, but no big deal. Yep, it happens from time to time, and we get over it, move on. All right, look at that. Also, coming this Friday, we're going to start talking about hones again. All kinds of different stones, things like that. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be good. Yeah. And I got to check. You know, I gave myself the challenge to do 6 months of Straight Razor Edge Friday specials. I think we're probably pretty close to that now. So I'm going to check on that, see where we stand. I used to do Straight Razor Edge Friday special the first and third Friday of every month. It's been every Friday, and I'm trying to do 6 months in a row. This is pass one, and for me primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. Oh yeah, nice. Blowing through those whiskers. This is really a fine razor, really is. And this was an eBay find as well. Here we go, nice. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Good stuff. Good stuff. There we go. Yeah, keeping that razor clean so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, nice, nice. All right, now we're switching hands. This is my non-dominant hand, and we're gonna do this side of my face. There you go. Yeah, stretching any way I can with my offhand, how I'm holding my mouth, blowing out my cheek. All of that is important. There we go. Nice. All right, pass one complete. Now, get that rinsed off, see how we did. Think it's pretty good. Nice. Looks like I may have got another little spot right there. All right, put alum on it. That's the way it goes. I have been quite busy, got a lot going on. And I just took my daughter up to the university to go visit some friends. Her semester has already started. So she started last week, yeah, on Tuesday, I believe, I think, I don't know. But, so she's up, maybe it's been 2 weeks. She's up visiting friends. So, I've been up since the morning. Just got back. It's about an hour away from home. Maybe an hour and 10 or 15 minutes. But it's all good. Now, it's time for the half pass. Here we go. This is basically going to be against the grain on my jawline and my neck. So let's do this. Being real careful. With that mole. Nice. All right. Now, we're going to go against the grain here. That was against the grain there. All right. Trying something a little different this time. Let me encourage you. Keep trying different things. See what works the best for you. Nice. There we go. No, shave in the books. Yep. Let's see how we did. That felt pretty good. Nice, 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 nice. All right, here we go. We're going alum everywhere. This is a stringent antiseptic, and this will take care of those little bumps you might hit now and again. So, really good. Tighten up the skin in those pores. Go ahead and get that going. Nice. All right. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with cold water rinse if you can get cold water, and follow that by drying it off and apply witch hazel. In my case, I'm going with the Thayers Lavender Witch Hazel. This is just marvelous, and it's got a fantastic scent that I believe is really going to work. All right, we're going to put that pretty much everywhere. I think it's marvelous. I do. Now, here we go. For my aftershave balm, this is Spice Island, and this is going to be good for that kind of bay rum part of this pirate cowboy. Yep. Really, really fantastic scent. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Just like that. And for my aftershave cologne thing, here we go. We're going Proraso Red. So this is going to take care of the sandalwood cowboy side of this. Yep. We can get some of that going. Oh, nice. Oh, that's so good. That is good. Oh, yeah. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see straight razor shaving, your first full face straight razor shave. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.